Okay, let's just do the other side. The same thing we did on this side, we're going to do it on the other side. Just do it over again. So again, you're going to go to the push-pull, select the offset tool, make the offset about the same thickness as this fascia. Now, we're going to go look down on it because we're going to push down. And take the push-pull tool and push in a little bit. Don't go all the way in because then we're going to mess up. You see this little edge here that's cantilevering? We're going to delete that. So grab that and push it all the way down. Boom, until it disappears like that. Okay, now we got to push this wall in to match this wall. So we're going to use the push-pull. Push until you see the red. And you stop when you see the red. Okay. Use the selection arrow tool, click on the line, and hit the delete key on your keyboard, and there it is. There's the house. Now we're gonna create a doorway, a door opening in the front. So use the rectangle tool. Make sure it's a little higher than her head. You know, as a matter of fact, you can actually make it bigger than it should be, like that. I think. Now let me undo that. Let's make it I'm gonna offset it a little bit. Oops, no. Let me just undo that. Start over again here. Like that. Okay. So now I'm gonna use the selection tool and select the door and delete it. And then I'm going to go into the, let's see, is it component mode? It looks like Lego blocks. And I'm going to type in door, and I'm going to try to find a simple door. I don't want a really complicated door. Let's go to next. And this looks like a simple door. So I'm going to click on it. Now it's going to load. It's going to take a while to load. And then once it loads, snap it there on that corner. And I'm going to close this. I'm going to zoom in. But notice that it didn't go the way I wanted it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the floor on the inside the house and delete it, because I need to go underneath the house and see. Yeah, I can see that the door is it's not the way I wanted it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the move tool. I'm going to grab this corner right here, click on it, and I'm going to snap it to this corner right here. There, that looks a lot better. So there, now the door is flushed on the inside, and well, it looks odd on the outside. That's okay. And now to make the opening smaller, use the selection tool. Click on this line, just on that line right there, and then with the move tool, click on the line and move only in the red axis until it snaps, right? That lines up. And then do the same thing for the top. First, use the selection tool, click on the line. See how it selects, it looks blue. And then use the move tool, just zoom in, click on the line, and then move it in the blue axis. Let me see, where's my blue axis? There it is, and snap. There it is. Now I have a door. Okay?